Excitement spread throughout the kingdom of Obadiah as drums echoed from village to village, announcing the arrival of the Great Hunting Festival, a sacred tradition held once every 4 years. According to the customs of the ancestors, the crown prince would lead selected warriors and hunters deep into the forbidden forest to hunt dangerous beasts, especially lions. The festival was more than celebration. It was a test of courage, leadership, and strength. Obinna trained harder than ever, determined to honor both his father and the kingdom. But hidden beneath the excitement, danger quietly waited. Meanwhile, Queen Azine and her father, Chief Ezeaku, watched quietly from the palace balcony. Though they smiled before the people, jealousy burned within their hearts. Chief Ezeaku knew the festival presented the perfect opportunity to remove Obinna forever. Late one night, Chief Ezeaku gathered secretly with a few corrupt hunters and warriors loyal to him. Inside a hidden chamber lit only by candles, he revealed his dark plan. During the confusion of the lion hunt, one of the hunters would secretly shoot an arrow at Obinna from a distance. The death would appear accidental, and nobody would suspect murder in the chaos of battle. Silent. On the morning of the festival, drums thundered throughout Obadiah as the hunters prepared to leave. Villagers lined the roads, cheering loudly while priests blessed the warriors with sacred markings and prayers for protection. Dressed in royal hunting attire and carrying his weapons proudly, Obinna led the group into the massive forest beyond the kingdom. The deeper they traveled, the darker and more dangerous the wilderness became. Hours later, chaos erupted when a massive lion suddenly attacked the hunting group. Warriors scattered while arrows and spears flew through the air. In the confusion, one of Chief Ezeaku's loyal men quietly aimed his poisoned arrow directly at Obinna's chest. The arrow flew swiftly through the forest. But before it could strike the prince, a mysterious warrior suddenly leapt forward and took the arrow instead. The injured man collapsed instantly. Shock spread among the hunters. Obinna rushed toward the wounded stranger in confusion, unable to understand why someone would sacrifice himself to save him. Before losing consciousness, the stranger whispered weakly, "My prince." Then darkness overtook him. The hunting festival ended in confusion and fear. Though the lion was defeated and Obinna survived, whispers of betrayal spread quietly among the hunters. Nobody could explain how the mysterious warrior knew the prince was in danger. Obinna personally ordered the injured stranger to be carried back to Obadiah for treatment. As healers fought to save the man's life, Obinna could not stop thinking about him. There was something strangely familiar about the warrior. Something in his face, his courage, even his eyes. Far away in another village, Neka suddenly became restless when Ikenna did not come back home same night, overcome by fear she could not explain. And somewhere beyond the reach of men, fate quietly prepared the meeting of two brothers separated since birth.